Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study some examples which are depends on the trigonometric functions. See the example sec raised to 4a in bracket 1 minus sine raised to 4a bracket close minus 2 tan square a equal to 1. Now we want to prove that this left hand side equal to right hand side, that is equal to 1. So left hand side sec raised to 4 a in bracket 1 minus sine raised to 4a bracket close minus 2 tan square a. Now we are going to multiply this sec raised to 4a to this bracket terms. Now this sec 4 raised to 4a into 1 equal to sec raised to 4a minus then sine raised to 4a into sec raised to 4a. We write down as it is into in the multiplication form minus 2 tan square a as it is. Now we convert this sec a as a 1 upon cos a. Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So we use these trigonometric functions. Now we convert this sec raised to 4a into cos 1 upon cos raised to 4a minus again 1 upon cos raised to 4a into this sine function as it is sine raised to 4a minus. Now we convert this tan square a in the form of sin theta upon cos theta. So sin square a upon cos square a. Now we take the subtraction of these two. Now here sine raised to 4a into 1, we write down here sine raised to 4a upon cos raised to 4a, and this 1 upon cos raised to 4a as it is minus this function is also as it is. So we take the subtraction between these two. Now the denominator is the same, so we take one of the denominator cos raised to 4a and write down 1 minus sine raised to 4a. Now this function as it is 2 sine square a upon cos square a. Now this 1 minus sine raised to 4a is written like this 1 square means again 1, then sine raised to 4a is written like this sine square a bracket raised to 2. Now see this function a square minus b square, we know the expansion of, we know the factor of these two, a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in second bracket. So we write down this 1 square minus sine square a brackets raised to 2 is like this, two bracket. In one bracket 1 minus sine square a, in second bracket 1 plus sine square a divided by cos raised to 4a as it is, and these terms are also as it is minus 2 sine square a upon cos square a. Then see the 1 minus sine square a, we know the sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. means we can write down cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So for the 1 minus sine square theta we write down cos square theta. So we write down here cos square theta into this bracket 1 minus sine square a divided by cos raised to 4a is written like this, cos square a into cos square a, minus these terms are as it is 2 into sine square a upon cos square a. Now this cos square a cancel. So 1 plus sine square a upon cos square a. Then now see in these two terms again denominator is same. So we write down above terms like that, 1 plus sine square a minus 2 sine square a and divided by one of the denominator cos square a. Now here sine square a minus 2 sine square a means we get 1 minus sine square a divided by cos square a. Then again 1 minus sine square a is nothing but cos square a. So we write down cos square a upon cos square a. This 2 cos square a cancel, we get here 1. So we get right hand side means left hand side equal to right hand side. Then we can write down in this way. We prove that sec raised to 4a in bracket 1 minus sine raised to 4a bracket close minus 2 tan square a equal to 1. Good day, goodbye.